Hello kids! Today we learn some 2D shapes. Let's start. Now we are drawing a square. What is this? This is a square shape, kids. We are drawing a square. A square. Now we are drawing trapezoid. These shapes are called trapezoid, kids. It's a trapezoid. Trapezoid. It's a circle. These shapes are called circle shape, kids. Circle. It's a rhombus. We are drawing rhombus shape, kids. Rhombus. It's a rhombus. Parallelogram. It's a parallelogram shape, kids. It's called parallelogram. Parallelogram. Now we are drawing right triangle. What is this? It's a right angle triangle, kids. These shapes are called right angle triangle, right angle triangle. Let's learn some colors. Red color, orange color, pink color, brown color, green color, sky blue color, forest green color, purple color, yellow green color, deep yellow color, old red color, old red color, cool gray color, it's a cool gray color, peacock green color, peacock green color, forest green color, forest green color, yellow color, yellow color, light violet color, light violet color. Let's learn 2D shapes. A square, trapezoid, circle, rhombus, parallelogram, right angle triangle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.